Hi YouTube, Tom Unkert here. In this video we're going to solve logarithmic equations using the log of a power property. So let's look at this first one. We have log base 2 of x cubed equals 18 and we want to solve for x. Okay, so let's write it here. So we have log base 2 of x cubed equals 18. Okay, so what we can do with this power is we can take this power from here and multiply it times the log base 2. So we can rewrite this as 3 times log base 2 of just x now and set that equal to 18. And now what we can do is, since we have 3 multiplied by this, we can divide both sides by 3. These will cancel, so you get log base 2 of x equals 6. Now we can rewrite this as an exponential equation, so we can write it as 2 to the 6th power equals x. So what is 2 to the 6th power? Well, that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 6 2's multiplied together, which is 64. So x is going to equal 64. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, this next one, we're solving for x again, and this time we have the natural log of x to the 5th equals 10. So the natural log of x to the 5th equals 10. So we can use the log of power property to rewrite this as 5 times the natural log of x equals 10. And then we can divide both sides by 5. So we can get the natural log of x equal to 2. Now with the natural log, the base is e. So when we write this as an exponential equation, we can write it as e squared equals x. Now you can do this out in a calculator, but this is the most exact version. E is an irrational number, meaning it's non-terminating, has a decimal that's non-terminating and non-repeating. So I would just leave x equal to e squared. Okay, let's try another one. All right, this next one, we're solving for x. We have log of x to the 6th power equals 30. So log x to the 6th power equals 30. We're going to use log of a power, that property, to rewrite this as 6 times the log of x, set that equal to 30. And then we can divide both sides by 6 now. So we can say the log of x equals 5. Now a logarithm, when the base isn't written, the base is 10. So 10 to the 5th power equals x. That's how we'd write it as an exponential equation now. Now 10 to the 5th power, is a 1 with 5 zeros. So x is going to equal 1 and then 0, 0, and then 3 more zeros. So 100,000. Okay, let's try another one. This next one, we're solving for x. Log base 2 of x to the 4th power equals 12. Let's write that. So log base 2 of x to the 4th power equals 12. Use the log of a power property to rewrite this as 4 times the log base 2 of x equals 12. Okay, then divide both sides by 4. And we get log base 2 of x equals 3. Okay, so now we want to rewrite this as an exponential equation. So we're going to write it as 2 to the third power equals x. Well, what is 2 to the third power? Well, that's 3 2's multiplied together, so 2 times 2 times 2. So that equals 8. So x is going to equal 8. All right, let's keep going. All right, problem 5. Solve for x. Natural log of x cubed equals 15. All right, so let's write this out. So natural log, let me do it a little better on the natural log of x cubed equals 15. All right, I'm going to rewrite this using the log of a power property as 3 times the natural log of x equals 15. We'll divide both sides by 3. And we'll get the natural log of x equal to 5. And rewriting this as an exponential equation, we're going to write it as e to the 5th power equals x. Let me fix that 5 there. Okay, and this is the most accurate way we could leave the solution to this one, so I'm going to leave it as x equals e to the 5th. All right, let's try one more. All right, so last one, log of x to the 4th power equals 16. Use the log of a power property to rewrite this as 4 times the log of x. Set that equal to 16. Divide both sides by 4. These will cancel, and you get log of x equals 4. Now remember, this is base 10, so we can rewrite this as an exponential equation as 10 to the 4th power equals x. So what is 10 to the 4th power? Well, that's a 1 with 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So x equals 10,000. Well, that's it for this video. Hopefully you found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe.